Look, the design of the system really comes down to what the customer's needs are. Generally, we'll look at their electricity accounts in depth. We'll work out, on a basic sort of scale as to where they're using their power. No one flat lines with their power through the day. They don't use 2 kilowatts straight out through the day. There's peaks and troughs. We talk about the peaks and troughs with the customers. We look at what the peak energy usage times are and what they're using in those times, and that's where we base the size of the system. We try and make the system so that we're not sending a lot of power back to the grid, but then you'll get the customer that will say, I want to send X amount of power back to the grid. So again, we're not rigid with our design. We have to be flexible to make sure that the customer gets at the end of the day exactly what they want. The higher quality systems will give you a longer life. They will generate more power and they'll generate better power over a longer period of time, whereas the cheaper product is fine when it's first put in. Again, the power generated by the cheaper panels tends to drop off fairly rapidly compared to the higher quality products. If they're going to be staying in the house for 10, 15, 20 years, they want a product that's going to be there when they're ready to move out. That's why, again, I deal with the quality products, because I've got the confidence that the product is going to be there in 10 years. It's still going to be performing in 10 years. Most systems are about 6 years plus to pay for themselves. So in terms of the investment, the system, if it's there in 10 years, the investment's paid for itself and it's starting to recoup money for them. So that's what we look for, and that's what they're looking for.